Breast reduction procedure itself is very safe procedure and it provides you a lot of benefit as far as physical symptoms are concerned. Apart from that, by relieving you of social embarrassment and the social awkwardness which comes with extraordinarily large breast, it adds a lot to your self-esteem and confidence. Dear friends, I'm Dr. D.K. Garg, I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon. In today's video, I will discuss the problem of extraordinary enlargement of female breast. While most of the women may be concerned about size of their breast, and many of people assume that it's only the small breast which is the problem, or sagging of breast is the only problem. But a lot of women we have seen suffer from extraordinary enlargement of breast, which lead to many painful physical symptoms. These symptoms can be pain in the shoulder, pain in the neck. Apart from that, many women find it difficult to find appropriate or suitable undergarment to support their breast once their breast size has enlarged too much. Not just that this condition leads to a lot of physical discomfort and pain for women. Apart from that, this kind of breast enlargement is source of social embarrassment. And further, this breast size, which is so enlarged, can be in total disproportion to remaining body size. To overcome all these problems, we have a procedure called breast reduction surgery, which can relieve all these problems and give right shape to breast. So in this video, I will discuss the various problems and the procedure of breast reduction surgery. Who's right candidate for breast reduction surgery? It's important to understand that breast reduction surgery not just reduces the size of breast, it also provides it adequate lift. So by doing that, by providing natural lift to the breast, we reduce burden on the shoulder and on the bra straps, which makes it more comfortable for the women. This procedure is suitable for all women who have extraordinarily enlarged breast and who are suffering from one or the other symptoms of enlarged breast, which can be shoulder, neck pain, or some recurrent or repeated infections in the breast fold. So age is not a limitation as such for breast reduction procedure. So you can be 35 or you can be 60 years old. As long as you are medically fit for this procedure, you can undergo this procedure. It's important to understand that sometimes breast reduction procedure can interfere with breastfeeding. So you have to keep that in mind when you choose to undergo breast reduction procedure. Breast reduction procedure is a significant surgery and is performed under anesthesia. This procedure usually takes 3 to 4 hours to perform, and you are usually asked to stay overnight in a clinic or hospital. In this procedure, we first of all do the markings on the breast, which is done in preoperative area. Once the markings are done, then you're shifted to operating room, where this procedure is performed under general anesthesia. Once the procedure is complete, you're shifted to recovery room and you will stay overnight in our center. At time of discharge, you go home with a bandage and you are allowed to move around freely. Although you may not be able to lift heavy weights or do any strenuous activity for 2 weeks or more. You come back again to us after a few days for further follow-up, and stitch removal is generally done around 10 days after the procedure. It's important to understand that breast reduction procedure is a surgical procedure and it leaves scars on the breast. So if you are planning to do breast reduction procedure, you should be open to idea of accepting scars on your breast tissue, which is in 2 parts. One scar can be on the front of the breast, and the major part of the scar is usually hidden in the breast fold. These scars lighten up and fade over a period of time, but they continue to be there. Another factor which is important to understand is that many times the breast reduction procedure may make you lose your ability to breastfeed in future. So it is important to understand that if you have plans to breastfeed in future, some of the breast reduction surgery techniques can lead to loss of ability to feed your children in future. Most of the time, this procedure generally offered to women who are fairly certain that their family is complete. Breast reduction procedure itself is a very safe procedure and it provides you a lot of benefit as far as physical symptoms are concerned. Apart from that, by relieving you of social embarrassment and the social awkwardness which comes with extraordinarily large breast, it adds a lot to your self-esteem and confidence. So if you are watching this video and you feel that your breasts are too big or too enlarged, do not hesitate, please reach us, we may be able to help you. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any more questions regarding breast reduction, please reach me on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. We'll be very happy to help you, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated about more interesting videos and more information regarding cosmetic surgery. Thank you very much.